I want to show how mouse clicks work in Safari. I'll just click. Okay, it's not working. I'll click again. It's not working. I'll click again. It's not working. Okay.
Application Express Home.
As you can see, in the Safari, clicks are working only in two cases. Page should not be scrolled vertically, or link should be in VoiceOver cursor.
Home link.
Who are sighted can say that I should enable VoiceOver cursor follows mouse feature. But if I enable it, I will not be able to scroll page. Please see. Now I switch back to Safari.
Space with Safari containing window application.
Font is too small for me. I increase it.
Zoom in.
And I want to click to some application. For example, I want to click to 104. Be sure I don't scroll page now. Be sure I just move mouse.
103.
What's happened? I am blind. Safari always jumps. It's very difficult for me to find something on a screen. If I find it, I just want to move mouse to it and just to click. So Safari is unusable for me. To work with Safari, I should be absolutely blind and work without screen. Because if I can see at least something, I should forget about my sight. But I want to use rest of my vision. Moreover, if I don't use rest of my vision, I lose it faster. So I should exercise it all the time. What Safari has for me? Now I scroll to the top manually. And I will show again. I just move mouse for 1 millimeter. I just touch it tenderly and picture was jumped. So Safari is not for developers. Safari is unusable to work, to earn money. Now I'll show the version of my macOS 10.12.3 and VoiceOver settings.